Hello my dear student, this is Sonia Kaushik and today we are discussing the topic of discussion is section biology from NEET 2020 exam, and the questions are: dissolution of synaptone immune complex occur during. My dear student, during cell division synaptone immune complex is formed, and that is formed during the diploidine stage. Next question, select the option including all sexually transmitted disease. All STD, that is sexually transmitted disease. Question option first is correct: gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes. Next question, which of the following would help in prevention of diuresis? My dear student, diuresis is the frequent urination in the night time. So diuresis can be prevented by reabsorption of sodium and water ions from renal tubules due to aldosterone. Next question, cuboidal epithelium with brush border microvilli is found in. So that is found in PCT part of nephron. PCT is proximal convoluted tubule, because maximum absorption of the substances take place there. Next question, identify the substance having glycosidic bond and peptide bond respectively in their structure. So option 4, inulin. My dear student, inulin is a sugar that contains glycosidic bond, and insulin is a proteinaceous hormone that have peptide bond in it. Next question, BT cotton variety. BT cotton was developed by introduction of toxin gene of Bacillus thuringiensis, and that is resistant to. This is genetically modified crop, my dear student, BT cotton, and it is resistant to insect pest. Next question, the ovary is half inferior in. So ovary is half inferior in which plant? Plum, out of the options. Next question, identify the incorrect statement. Incorrect statement आपको बतानी बेटा. Hardwood does not conduct water but give mechanical support, correct. Sapwood involved in conduction of water and mineral, correct. From root to leaf. Fourth option, due to deposition of tannin resin oil, hardwood is dark in color, correct. So option C is incorrect here. Option C is sapwood is the innermost secondary xylem and lighter in color. So this is the incorrect statement. Next question, select the correct events that occurs during inspiration. My dear student, intake of air from nostril, that is called inspiration, and if we remove the air from nostril, that is called expiration. So for inspiration, correct sequence: contraction of diaphragm and then contraction of internal intercostal muscle. So option first is right. Next question, the process responsible for facilitating the loss of water in liquid form from the tip of grass in early morning is due to. My dear student, that is the process is guttation that occurs through the hydatodes that are present on the tip of leaves, and that occurs during early morning due to root pressure. Alright, because rate of transpiration is very low in early morning, so root pressure will be responsible for that you can say loss of water in form of droplets, and the process is called guttation, and the pores that are present on the tip of leaves are called hydatodes. Next question, identify the wrong statement with reference to immunity. Alright, so out of these options, option C, active immunity is quick and give full response. So this is incorrect, because beta, whenever we have a pathogen attack on our body and our body forms antibodies against it, so that type of immunity is called active immunity, whereas the passive immunity is the, you can say, introduction of ready-made antibodies inside the body, that is passive immunity. So that will take no time. But active immunity, in which our body have to form antibody itself, that type of immunity is active immunity, and it is not quick, it will take time. Next question, match the following, and the options are inhibitor of catalytic activity, next है possess peptide bond, next है cell wall in fungi, next secondary metabolite. So my dear students, secondary metabolite is ricin, cell wall in fungi chitin, and possess peptide bond collagen, inhibitor of catalytic activity, that is malonate. So option first is right. Next option 103, identify the correct statement Identify the correct statement with regard to G1 phase, GAP1 phase. So my dear students, in GAP1 phase cell is metabolically active, क्योंकि इसको growth phase भी बोलते हैं, and cell growth but does not replicate its DNA. DNA replication होता है बेटा S phase में. So G1 is specifically for growth. Next question, experimental verification of the chromosomal theory of inheritance was done by. So that is done by Morgan. Experimental verification of chromosomal theory of inheritance. Chromosomal theory of inheritance was given by Sutton and Boveri, and experimental verification was done by Thomas Hunt Morgan, who worked on Drosophila. Next question, which of the following hormone level will cause release of ovum from the Gaffian follicle? So that is high concentration of estrogen. Very nice. Next question, if the distance between two constitutive base pairs is 0.34 nanometer and the total number of base pair of DNA double helix is typical mammalian cell is 6.6 into 10⁹ base pair, then the length of DNA, बेटा आपको याद रखना है, human length of DNA is approximate 2 meter. So here option is 2.2 meter will be correct, क्योंकि यहाँ पर 3.3 की जगह इन्होंने दिया 6.6 into 10⁹ base pair. So option 2.2 meter will be the right answer. Next question, which of the following statement are true for the phylum Chordata? Chordata से related कौन सा ऑप्शन सही है? So option B and C. Option B and C देखिए. In vertebrates, notochord is present during the embryonic period only. Yes, after that it is you can say replaced by vertebral column. And in option C, central nervous system is dorsal and hollow. Both are correct. The specific palindromic sequence which is recognized by EcoR1. So my dear student, this is also given in NCERT. Palindromic sequence are inverted repeats, and the palindromic sequence that is recognized by the restriction enzyme EcoR1, that is GAA-TTC. Alright, this is also given in NCERT. Next question, ray florets have what type of ovary? So ray florets have inferior ovary. Next question, you have to match the correct answers. Hemophilia, Y-linked, phenylketonuria, autosomal dominant, sickle cell anemia, autosomal recessive, related to chromosome number 4, thalassemia, Y-linked. So hemophilia, Y-linked, no. So option C is correct. Sickle cell anemia autosomal recessive trait है, disorder है, and belongs to and related to chromosome number 11. Next question, how many true breeding pea varieties did Mendel select as pair? So my dear student, he worked on 7 characters, and as pair he have selected a pea plant having 14 pair, you can say, contrasting trait. Next question, in which of the following techniques of the embryo are transferred to assist the female who cannot conceive? So for infertile couples and ART, that is assisted reproductive technologies, are used, and mainly ZIFT, that is zygote interfallopian transfer, and IUT, intrauterine transfer. These 2 methods are followed. Option 1 will be right. Next question, the enzyme enterokinase helps in conversion of. So my dear student, this is you can say enzyme that helps to form active form of protein. Trypsinogen is inactive form, and this enterokinase helps to convert it in a active form. So it will convert trypsinogen into trypsin. Next question, the sequence that controls the copy number of the linked DNA in a vector is termed as, ORI site. ORI site, that is origin of replication, that is responsible for the copy number of the linked DNA. Next question, goblet cells of alimentary canal are modified from, they are modified from columnar epithelial cells. Next question, which of the following statement about inclusion bodies are incorrect? My dear student, inclusion bodies are storage bodies that are present in bacteria or bacterial cell. So which one is incorrect? So they are not bound by any membrane, correct. They lie free in cytoplasm, correct. They represent reserve food material in cytoplasm. All 3 are correct. So option second, they involved in ingestion of food particle. This is wrong answer. Food particle को ingest लेने में help नहीं करता है. Next question, which of the following statement is incorrect? सो स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट देखते बेटा, एडेनिन पेयर विथ थायमिन थ्रो 2 हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड। नेक्स्ट है विच इज़ करेक्ट, सो ठीक है, ए और टी के बीच में डीएनए में बेटा डबल बॉन्ड होते हैं। नेक्स्ट है ए एंड टी पेयर्स विद 1 बॉन्ड नो, 3 बॉन्ड नो एंड देन नो पेयर, तो ये गलत है, ऑप्शन 1 विल बी राइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आइडेंटिफाई द रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट विद रेफरेंस टू द gene I that controls ABO blood group. So ABO blood group system, beta the gene I has 3 alleles. You have to give a wrong statement. Yes, so 3 alleles, this is correct. A person have only 2 of the 3 alleles, correct. Allele I does not produce any sugar, okay. So option C, when IA and IB are present together, they will express the same type of sugar. No, that will be blood group AB, so they will represent different sugars. Next, match the column and select the correct option. BT cotton, BT cotton आपको पता है Bacillus thuringiensis से related है. Adenosine deaminase deficiency, this is related to gene therapy. First gene therapy में बेटा यही gene से related थी. RNAi, that is cellular defense method in nematodes or eukaryotes you can say. PCR, that helps in HIV infection. PCR polymerase chain reaction, that helps in amplification of DNA. So option 1 will be right. Next question, Montreal Protocol was signed in 1987, was control of. So it is basically related to emission of ozone depleting substances. So option 2 will be right. Next, match the following disease with their causative agent and you have to tell the correct option. So typhoid, Wucheria no, pneumonia, Plasmodium no, filariasis, Salmonella no, and malaria. Okay, you have to match the following. Okay, so typhoid is Salmonella, Salmonella typhi से होता है बेटा. Pneumonia, pneumonia किससे होता है? Haemophilus influenza से. Okay, filariasis Wucheria worm से होएगा, malaria Plasmodium से. So option 2 will be correct. Next question, identify the wrong statement with regard to restriction enzyme. Beta, restriction enzyme are the enzyme that cut specifically on the palindromic sequences. So wrong statement is restriction enzyme function by inspecting length of DNA sequence. Okay, they cut the strand of DNA at palindromic site. Okay, they are useful in genetic engineering. Yes, so option D, sticky ends can be joined by union. No, can be joined by using DNA ligase. No, DNA ligase can join blunt end as well. So option D, and this is not related to restriction enzyme. चलिए, QRS complex is a standard ECG represent, that is depolarization of ventricles. Next, which of the following is the most abundant protein in animals? So that is collagen. Next question, in gel electrophoresis, separated DNA fragments can be visualized with the help of ethidium bromide in the UV spectrophotometer, or you can say UV radiation. ETBR, that is carcinogenic dye, and that is used to visualize the DNA bands in UV light, and the DNA bands visible as orange fluorescent bands. Next question, which of the following is not an inhibitory substance governing seed dormancy? Inhibitory substance, तो बेटा phenolic acid, abscisic acid, para-ascorbic acid, all are inhibitory. So gibberellin, that helps in increasing length of plant, so it will be the right answer. Next question, in water hyacinth, that is also called terror of Bengal, and water lily, beta these two are aquatic plants, but the pollination occur by wind and insects. So option 1 will be right. This is also given in NCERT. Next question, by which method a new breed Hisardale of the ship formed by using Bicaneri Eve and Merino rams? So that is cross breeding method. Next question, which of the following condition in urine are indicator of diabetes mellitus? So in case of diabetes mellitus, students, ketonuria, ketone bodies will be there in urine, and glycosuria, sugar will be present in urine. That will be the, you can say, indication of diabetes mellitus. Next question, which of the following refer to correct example of organism which have evolved during the changes in environment through the, you can say, anthropogenic action, man-made action आप कह सकते हैं. So option C, B, C and D. B, herbicide resistant breeds due to drug resistant variety, and D, that is man created domestic animals like dogs. So all that are the reasons for the, you can say, resistance of environment that helps to organism to evolve and due to the change of environment. Next, embryological support for evolution was disproved by which scientist? Carl Ernest von Baer. Next, which of the following columns select the correct option? So the correct option, scapula, that is the, you can say, first से start करते बेटा. Floating ribs. So floating ribs do not connect with sternum क्योंकि वो सबसे लास्ट में होती हैं, ठीक है. False ribs हैं, not connected to sternum, middle chest bone से connected नहीं है. Next, acromion, that is related to clavicle, and then scapula, that is located between second and seventh rib, and then glenoid cavity, that is the present at which the head of humerus articulates. So option 4th will be right. Next, the body of a vule is fused within the funicle at hilum. One option is correct. Which of the following is put into anaerobic sludge digester for further sewage treatment? That is activated sludge, थोड़ा सा उसका as a inoculum उसको back कर दिया जाता है. Next question, the product of reaction catalyzed by nitrogenase in root nodule or leguminous plants are ammonia and hydrogen. First product ammonia and hydrogen ही होता है बेटा. Next, correct pair आपको choose करना है. ligases join the 2 DNA molecules, ठीक है. Next question, name the plant growth regulator which upon spraying on sugarcane crop increasing the length increase कौन करता है बेटा? जिब्रेलिन है, length को increase करता है. Option B will be correct. Next, match the following column, select the correct option. Match up करना बेटा. So option 2 will be right. देखिए, gregarious and polyphagous pest, so that is locust, ठीक है. ग्रास ऊपर भी इसी कैटेगरी में आता है. नेक्स्ट, एडल्ट विद रेडियल सिमेट्री एंड लार्वा विद बाइलेटरल सिमेट्री, सो दैट इज द स्टारफिश, दैट इज एस्ट्रीडिया फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट, बुक लंग्स आर प्रेजेंट इन स्कॉर्पियन. नेक्स्ट, बायोल्यूमिनेसेंस टीनोप्लेना. नेक्स्ट, आइडेंटिफाई द रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट बेटा, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज राइट. हायर हाइड्रोजन कंसंट्रेशन इन एल्वेलाई फेवर्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ऑक्सीहीमोग्लोबिन, सो दिस इज रॉन्ग आंसर. Next, match the following. So which one is responsible for which? The iron is important for chlorophyll biosynthesis. Zinc is important for oxygen synthesis, that is IAA, indole acetic acid. And boron is responsible for pollen germination. Manganese is important for photolysis. So option 3rd will be right. Next question, the transverse section of plant showing the following anatomical features: large number of scattered vascular bundle surround the bundle sheath, large conspicuous parenchymatous ground tissue, vascular bundle conjoint and closed, phloem parenchyma is absent. So all these are you can say defines the characteristics of monocot stem. Next question, in light reaction plastoquinone PQ facilitate the transfer of electron from, that is photosystem 2 to cytochrome B6 complex. Next question, this is the question related, this 142 question is related to electron transport chain in chloroplast. Next, which of the following region of globe exhibit high species diversity? So that is Amazon forest, rainforest, that are also called you can say lungs of planet, that have higher species diversity. Next, the first phase of translation is, that is aminoacylation of tRNA, then it is called charging of tRNA. Next question, the infectious stage of plasmodium that enters the human body, so that is sporozoite stage, that enters with the saliva, along with the salivary you can say when mosquito bites, along with saliva it enters the human body. Next, which of the following which of the important site of formation of glycoprotein and glycolipids? So Golgi bodies are the important sites. Option 3rd will be correct. Identify the basic amino acid from the following. Basic amino acid is lysine. Arginine भी basic है, arginine option में नहीं है, तो lysine is the right answer. Next question, the number of substrate level phosphorylation in 1 turn of citric acid is, number of substrate level phosphorylation in 1 turn of citric acid, so that is 1. From his experiment, S.L. Miller produces amino acids by mixing which of the following in a closed flask. बेटा ये इवोल्यूशन के टाइम में यूरे एंड मिलर एक्सपेरिमेंट जो उन्होंने किया था एक स्पेशल एपरेटस तैयार करके, सो दे यूज मीथेन, हाइड्रोजन एंड अमोनिया अलॉन्ग विद वाटर वेपर्स दैट आर high temperature because primitive earth was regarded as having a high temperature 800 degrees Celsius. Next, strobili or cones are found in equistem, that is gymnosperm. Next, name the following name the enzyme that facilitates opening of DNA helix during transcription. ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में RNA polymerase, क्योंकि बेटा we can also say DNA dependent RNA polymerase, so it helps in transcription, it helps to initiate the transcription. Actually it binds at the promoter region and it will start initiation. Next question, the oxygenation activity of ribosco enzyme in photorespiration is due to the formation of 3 carbon compound, one molecule of 3 carbon compound. Next, fluoridine starch has structure similar to amylopectin and glycogen from NCERT. The process of growth is maximum during log phase, that is also called exponential phase. Which of the following statement is correct? Option C, the functional insulin has A-B chain linked together by hydrogen chain. Beta, insulin is also genetically engineered now. Genetically engineered insulin is also available that have 3 chains. So active insulin have 2 chains that are bind together, or you can say connected together with the help of disulfide linkage chain A and B. Next question, select the correct statement. Option first, glucocorticoids stimulate glycogenesis, right answer. Glycogenesis, gluconeogenesis, right answer. Next, match the following. So zygote stage is related to synapses, pachytene stage crossing over, diplotin stage that is related to case meta formation, and D, diakinesis that is responsible for terminalization because it is the last stage of cell division. So option 2 will be right. Next, if the head of cockroach is removed, it may live for few days because the head has small portion of nervous system and the rest of the body along with ventral part of its body, so it will remain alive for some time. Next question, which of the following columns select the correct pair? Correct pair beta, 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits are present in cyclostomes, that is petromyzon is one of the example. Heteroserial caudal fin is present in Chondrichthyes, cartilaginous fishes. Air bladder is present in Osteichthyes, bony fishes, and poison sting is present in Trigone. Next, the roots that originate from base of stem, fibrous root in monocots plants. Then next question, identify the correct statement with reference to human digestive system. So ileum is highly coiled part of the intestine. Option C will be right. Match the following column. Clostridium botulicum, butyric acid. Trichoderma polysporum, cyclosporin A. Monoscus purpurus, blood cholesterol lowering agent, beta statin भी बोलते हैं उसको. Aspergillus niger is used for commercial production of citric acid. Option second will be right. Next question, in relation to gross primary productivity and net primary productivity of ecosystem, which of the following statement is incorrect? GPP, gross primary productivity is always more than net primary productivity. Yes, ठीक है, क्योंकि net primary productivity कैसे कैलकुलेट करते बेटा? दैट इज GPP माइनस आर. रेस्पिरेशन में जो एनर्जी यूज़ होती है उसको हम लोग उससे डिडक्ट कर देते हैं. सो GPP इज ऑलवेज मोर देन नेट प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी. ऑप्शन 2 विल बी राइट. Match the following column and select the correct option. Pituitary gland that is related to diabetes insipidus. Then thyroid gland related to Graves' disease. Adrenal gland related to Addison disease. And pancreas that is related to diabetes mellitus. Option C will be right. Match the following. Yes students, placenta that is related to HCG, human chronic gonadotropin, that also helps to confirm pregnancy with the help of urine. It is present in urine as well in the pregnant females. Zona pellucida, layer of ovum. Bulbourethrial gland, lubrication of penis. This is accessory gland in males. Leydig cells that helps to release androgen or you can say testosterone. Leydig cells को बेटा interstitial cells भी बोलते हैं. Next question, which of the following columns select the correct option? So organ of Corti This is located on the basilar membrane in inner ear. Next, cochlea, that is the coiled part of labyrinth, and Eustachian tube, that is the correct middle ear with the pharynx. And next is stapes. Yes, this is the you can say smallest bone, you can say stapedial muscle भी small है, और stapes जो bone है ear ossicle, that is also small. So option third, attached to oval window. Next question, meiotic division of secondary oocyte is completed at the time of fusion of sperm with ovum. Secondary oocyte से तभी complete होती है. Option D will be right. Next, match the trophic level and correct species examples in grassland ecosystem. So the options are fourth trophic level. फोर्थ ट्रॉपिक लेवल बेटा हायर, जिसको उसके बाद कोई नहीं लेता है, तो दैट इज़ वल्चर. सेकंड ट्रॉपिक लेवल पे आएगा हमारा यू कैन से दिस इज़ रैबिट, क्योंकि हर्बीवोर है. तो फर्स्ट पे तो प्लांट आता है, तो फर्स्ट पे ग्रास आ जाएगा, एंड थर्ड पे क्रो. ठीक है बेटा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट सच एज निकोटीन, सेकिनिन एंड कैफीन आर प्रोड्यूस बाय प्लांट फॉर देयर क्यों प्रोड्यूस फॉर डिफेंसिव एक्शन. ठीक है, एज सच उनका कोई बहुत ज़्यादा रोल नहीं है, तो डिफेंसिव इन नेचर. स्नो ब्लाइंडनेस इन एंटार्क्टिक रीजन इज ड्यू टू इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ कॉर्निया ड्यू टू हाई डोज ऑफ UVB. Yes, UVB affects the white part of the eye, so it is responsible for slow blindness. Which of the following pair of unicellular algae, so chlorella and spirulina, these are unicellular algae. They are used as single cell protein and also used as space food by space travelers. Next, again match the column. So eosinophil, that is related to this allergic reaction, so it will release histamine and destructive enzyme. Then basophil, it is related to granules containing histamines. And neutrophil, that are also called soldiers of immune system, related to phagocytosis. And lymphocytes, that will related to immune response. So option first will be right. Next question, according to Robert May, the global species, this is given in NCERT 12th ecology, so 7 million. Flippers of penguin and dawnfills are example of convergent evolution. Second option correct. Next question, the plant parts which consist of two generations within one another, so that is the option A and D. Pollen grain inside the you can say anther, and embryo that have the ovule, so they are the next generation that is present in first generation as well. Next question, which of the following is correct about viroids? So they are free RNA without protein coat. Option second right. Next, match the column. Bacillus thuringiensis having related to cryoprotein, Thermus aquaticus DNA polymerase, Agrobacterium tumefaciens that have that is used as cloning vector, and Salmonella typhimurium construction of first recombinant DNA molecules. So option C will be related to this as cloning vector. ठीक है, so option second will be right. Next, which of the following is not attribute of population? Sex ratio, natality, that is birth rate, mortality, death rate, all three are attributes of population. So D, species interaction is the right answer. Some dividing cell exits the cell cycle and enter vegetative inactive stage, that is called G0 or quiescent stage. The process occur at the end of G1 phase. Just after G1 growth phase, some cells enters in G0 phase. These are usually the cells of nervous system or the cardiac cells, we can say that, or the cells of our glands that are very busy in performing their function of secretion and absorption, like that. Next question, bilaterally symmetrical and acoelomate animals are examples by Platyhelminthes is the right answer. So these are the questions from biology sections. I hope it will be helpful for you all, that you can have an idea. You have an idea. Next, how many questions can be asked from NCERT? So most of the questions are direct from NCERT. So I will suggest to have NCERT on your tips for next NEET aspirants, and I hope all the NEET aspirants who have given their exam this time, they have matched their answer key before that also. So we have also discussed this. Okay, so this is okay for today. So keep in your mind that from biology most of the question are usually asked from NCERT, so NCERT should be on, or you can say must be on your fingertips. Okay students, goodbye.